Okay, so let's go ahead and we'll look on a new tablet from XENCELABS. The box seems like very solid, nice. It seems on the back I have a picture what they should include, which is kind of very nice. We have a case, tablet, dongles. Okay, overall, yeah, it's very solid case. Let's pull it to open. Okay, our sleeves. Usually what I look at on the shipping also if all angles is okay and how well it's protected. You don't want to spend money on something that can damage. Okay, so inside we have our welcome card, thank you. On multilingual with the connections and okay, yeah, we can use the wireless or by the cable. Okay, so we'll check on this. We downloaded all the stuff. This is our tablet and you know it's heavier than I think, so we'll put right there, test it, and probably a pen, so we'll put on the side a little bit later. Let's go open this teeny tiny box, see what's inside. And it's actually light. Okay, inside we have our warranty card and a sticker. XENCELABS. We'll put it back in. It's kind of nice, but I don't know if you need to have this in a box. Anyway. Okay, we have a little bit bigger box, and let's see what we have inside here. Okay, yeah, we have protect glove and cable. Okay, this is USB 8, USB-C cable. If you want kind of connect by this. And it seems it's like quite a bit long cable actually. With one end, and I do like when it's kind of L-shaped, so it can be plugged and does not going away. So it's good cable. Let's put it right there. It's probably not power through cable, just normal. Okay, that is the glove, and one thing I noticed that is medium size, which probably work for most of the people, but I have it large hand, so let me go ahead and try it. Put it in. It fits okay. It does not stretch too much, so it seems like fit properly. But I probably will start using my old large gloves. And this one going back in the back. Okay, it's something below. Let's go ahead and open. And this is, I think this is a pouch. And this is actually very good feel. Wow, this is a nice pouch. Oh, inside a lot of pockets, very good size, very durable, feels very good. Oh, velvet inside, very smooth, nice, prevent scratches. Yeah, a lot of pockets. It feels very solid build, so I actually like that pouch. I wish all tablets come with this. That is very, very good option to come with. Okay, let's put it back this and just needed readjusting. There you go. Okay, so right here is our case, and it's actually feel very solid. I mean, feels not cheap at all. It's nice open, very nice closing, and inside we have plenty of the tips, very easy access, 2 pens, which is very surprising. Not so many tablets come with 2 pens. I do like it because this is for bigger and more like pen. So you have it. Actually, this is very, very nicely done. And here's our dongles. We have our wireless and our USB to USB-C connection, just if you have it. So this is actually feels very solid. I mean, up to level with a Vicom actually on the quality. Very, very solid, very nice build. Okay, let's go on the tablet. Okay, and the tablet actually feels very good. It's metal on the back. Huh. I mean, it's durable, it's not cheap, it does not. Except these legs, you know, I feel if you haven't hit corner of the table, those rubber things probably will come out. So they cannot, but it feels, it's metal back, it feels very very durable, nice. I mean, it is, except the buttons, there's buttons on the top. I don't think I like them because when you draw and push them on the top, it will cross. I prefer they will be on a side with like your left side with a hand, like usually they do, so it's much easier. But general, it's not bad. Okay, so wait, right here. Yeah, I see the L shape. If you don't want to use it, wireless options, you can hook up. And by the way, it's built a 16:9 resolution, just perfect for the display when you work. Overall, I will say it's a very surprisingly how well it is built. The buttons does not feel flimsy, the case feels solid, nice, heavy, and pouches like everyone should have now. I mean, seriously, this is just a very nice complect. Obviously, the people thinking what it was doing. Okay. I'll just put cable, whatever it's gonna go. I'm just, for now, just put it everything in a case. Like how I said before, I do feels great quality. I need to test now how it will drive, but from opening, unzipping, I mean, it's very well done product. Good case. Yeah, definitely buy on my list.